Hey guys, before we start our warm up, let's just take a moment to kind of stretch out, get the wiggles out a little bit, do what you need to do, and then be ready to focus in. When you're ready, repeat after me. A, apple, A. B, B. E, ed, E. G, G. I, itch, I. M, M. O, octopus, ah. U, V, V. W, H, W. C, H, ch. S-H, sh. T-H, C-K, k. I-N-G, ring, ing. A-N-G, fang, ang. O-N-G, song, ong. U-N-G, long, ung. And we're back to the beginning. So we are going to get into our R controls. Here we go. A-R, car, R. O-R, horn, or. E-R, her, I-R, bird, U-R, burn, Good work, my friends. And now for the teamsters, the vowel teams. What's this first row I'll say? A. A-I, bait A. A-Y, play A. E-E, jeep E. E-A, eat E. E-Y, key E. And that whole row said E. Very good, my friends. And today I'm going to teach you about this next row. So this is a picture right here of a quarter, which is a type of coin. So the story for this one is O-I coin oi. You try. O-I coin oi. And this vowel team says oi too. O-Y boy oi. So now when you see these in your reading, you'll know that they both say oi. Okay, great job, my friends. We are going to get into another Make It Fun activity. We did this the other day where I'm going to write out some words and you will copy them on your whiteboard and then we are going to mark them up. So please go and get your whiteboard. And this time we're going to try to write 3 words on each line. So do your best to keep it neat and fit them, but if you're having trouble, then just fit the ones you can. It'll be okay. All right. I think I have them all written down now. So I will hold it up, and when I do that, you should pause the screen here to copy them all down. Don't come back until you're done. Yay, you're back. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. I want you to go through the first row and cross off anything that is not a closed syllable. We're on a closed syllable hunt. So what's this first word? She. Find the vowel. Is it closed? No, it's open. That's why the E says E. Cross it off. Let's keep hunting. I'll take a second for you to look at these ones and decide what to do. Yeah, one vowel and it's closed in. So did everybody scoop the vowel and label it C? Or scoop the syllable and label it C for a closed syllable? And that makes the vowel short. I. What's the word? Trip. Trip. Very good. What'd you do with this word? Yeah, it's closed in. It doesn't matter that there's nothing in front of it. It's about anything closing it in after. So what's this word say? Up. Very nice. Let's read these words again. She trip up. Let's come down to our next row. What's this word say? Ask. Yeah, it is closed in. It's closed in with two consonants. So please go ahead and mark that up. How about this one? Two vowels. Can't be closed syllable. N. Yeah, it's closed in. And that's a short vowel sound because it's closed in. Mark it up. And we have our last row. I want you to try it all by yourself. Okay, talk to me. Why did we cross off safe? Because there's two vowels. Why did we cross off beat? Two vowels. And then slash, we marked as closed and it made the A short. Good. Good work on that syllable hunt. Let's go ahead and erase the boards. If we don't erase right away, it's hard to erase later on. So we have to maintain and keep up our materials. Okay, I am going to build you a word of the day. Can I hear you do the blending sound at the beginning? Dur. Okay, let me hear the vowel sound. Dr, eh. And there is a bonus letter on this word, so I'm going to add the second bonus sound. And what does the word say? Drill. Drill. And I'm going to make it have a suffix s. So what's our whole word? Drills. Drills. Very nice. What's the base word? The base word is drill. What is a drill? Oh, it might be a tool. Okay. Do you have more than one drill at your house? Maybe you have a couple drills to make things out of, to drill things with wood. Oh, and maybe in basketball practice, you do different drills where you kind of to help you practice the sport. Okay. A fire drill. So if our base word is drill, we need to underline the base word, circle the suffix. Now, what else do we have to mark? Well, we have a bonus L, so we need to put our star above the L. Very good. We also have a blend, the DR blend at the beginning. And last but not least, I want to scoop the syllable. It's closed, so it's a short I. That's a lot of marking. Underline my D and my R. There you go. Okay, drills. So we need to go ahead and add this to our notebooks. So you may take your time, pause if you need to, and get out your student notebook so you can add the word drills. It goes in the middle section, the main part. It's called vocabulary. And what letter does drills start with? Yeah, it starts with a D. So you need to find that page right there. And the first thing that you will do is write the word drill. Make sure that you're forming your letters the right way. And after you write drill, you'll make it say drills. We always do the base word first. And then mark it up. Underline the base word, circle the suffix. Underline the blend, star the bonus letter, scoop the syllable, and put on the brev. And for our sentence, we will do, we had 2 fire drills. We had 2 fire drills. And I will hold that sentence up for you that you can take your time and copy down. Pause the screen right here so you can copy that. Okay, nice job, my friends. You can put your notebook to the side. You may want it to help you while we do some dictation, okay? So for dictation today, I would like you to use paper if you have more of the paper from your teacher, or if you want to use regular lined paper. And you also need a pencil. If you don't have those things and you need to use your whiteboard, that will be okay. Let me just return a few of my letters. Great. And here we go, my friends. We're going to start with three sounds. After I say them, you'll write them, and then I'll hold up my work after all three sounds for you to check your work. Okay? Do your best. Here we go. Repeat after me. J. Write the letter that says J. Number 2. Y. Write the letter that says Y. Number 3. Write the letter that says J says J. Y says Y. U says Okay, we're going to go down to the next line and do 2 words. Repeat after me. Stop. Tap it and write it. Stop. Spell it and write it. Pause if you need more time. Mark the blend. Scoop the syllable and mark up that it's a closed syllable with a short vowel sound. Stop. Okay, let's do number 2. Clocks. What's the base word? Clock. Let's tap that. K, o, ah, k. Write it. Pause until it's done, and then make it plural. Make it say clocks. Okay, if you're done, I want you to mark the blend, mark the digraph, and then underline the base word, circle the suffix. Just like that. And then let's mark the syllable type. Scoop it, it's a closed syllable, so the vowel is short with a brev. Clocks. There's a lot going on there. Take your time and make sure you understand it. Okay, and we're going to go down to this next line here. Repeat after me. Still. Let's tap it. Still. Spell it and write it. Take your time. Pause if you need to. If you're done with still, please mark the blend and the bonus letter. If you don't have one of those, you forgot something, fix it up before you check it with mine. Here's the word still. And let's do one more word. Repeat after me. Drops. She drops a lot of toys. What's the base word? Drop. Let's tap out drop. D-R-op. Write drop and then make it say drops. Mark the blend. Underline the base word. Circle the suffix. Scoop the syllable. And mark that vowel. Drops. Awesome. We're going to do 2 trick words and then end there today. Here's your first trick word. Over. O-ver. And your second trick word is from. From. Remember, some parts you can do it by the sounds. Some parts are tricky, so you might need to double check in your book if you haven't remembered them in your brain. When you're sure you're right, check yours to mine. Over and from. And for today, you can make up your own sentence to write there. When you're done with your sentence, you can put your materials away. Nice job, my friends.